Welcome to Digital Classes. Hello student, this video is for class 8 Science chapter 2 Microorganisms and Virus Friend and Foe. Let us start with microorganism or microbes. So first we understand about the microorganism and microbes. Introduction about microbes. Some general characteristics of microorganism are: first, single cell. A microorganism may occur as a single or a collection of cells. The microorganisms are small in size, so it is microscopic. Third is habitat. Microorganisms are found everywhere in the air, water, soil, even desert, marshy land, and also inside the body of living organism. Microorganisms are capable of existing in extreme condition of temperature, dryness by forming a hard outer covering called cyst. When the conditions are favorable, they come out of their shell, multiply and go through their life cycle again. Impact means that they are harmful or useful to us. Some microorganisms are useful, some microorganisms are harmful, they create diseases. And the last is a major groups. Basically, they are divided into 5 different groups. Microorganisms are very small in size, they cannot be seen with naked eye. These can be seen with microscope, so that is why they are called microorganism. Microscope. It is unclear who invented the microscope, but according to the source, evidence points to Hans Lippershey and Zacharias Janssen. Anton van Leeuwenhoek of Holland was the first scientist to observe microscopic plant and other organisms including bacteria with the help of a microscope. We know that the microorganisms are found everywhere and their number may be in millions or trillions. They are exist in our surrounding. According to scientists, there are 5 major group of microbes or microorganisms: bacteria, fungi, algae, protozoa and virus. In our book, microorganisms are divided into 4 groups, that is bacteria, fungi, algae and protozoa and virus. See, this is bacteria cell. Bacteria is single celled. This is also bacteria. I just put a image to check. See, these are the 3 common shapes of the bacteria: rod shape, spherical, spiral. Bacteria, its singular is bacterium, are a type of biological cell. They constitute a large domain of prokaryotic microorganism, typically a few micrometer in length. Bacteria have a number of shapes ranging from sphere to rod and spiral. Bacteria were among the first life forms to apply on Earth and are present in most of its habitat. Bacteria inherit soil, water, acidic hot spring, radioactive waste, and the deep biosphere of the Earth crust. Bacteria also live in symbiotic and parasitic relationship with plants and animals. Most bacteria have not been characterized as only about 27% of the bacterial phyla have have species that can be grown in the laboratory. The study of the bacteria is known as bacteriology, a branch of microbiology. Now, see, this is the example of bacteria, Koki, Staphylococcus, and Streptococcus. This is rod-shaped bacteria. Examples are Bacilli and Streptobacilli. These are spiral-shaped bacteria. First is Vibrio and second is Spirilla. Now the second kind of microorganism is fungi. I put a picture of some fungi. See, one is mushroom, second is fern. This is a microscopic picture of fungi. A fungus, the plural is fungi or funguses. Any member of the group of eukaryotic organism that includes microorganisms such as yeast, molds, etc. As well as the more familiar mushroom, these organisms are classified as a kingdom which is separate from the other eukaryotic life kingdom of plant and animal. Fungi are eukaryotic organism, that is, their cell contain membrane bound organelles and clearly defined nucleus. Fungi were included in the plant kingdom, however, because fungi lack chlorophyll and are distinguished by a unique structure and physiological features, that is the component of cell wall and cell membrane. In addition, fungi are clearly distinguished from all the other living organisms, including animal, by their principal mode of vegetative growth and nutrient intake. Fungi grow from the tip of the filament hyphae that make up the body of the organism, mycelia, and they digest organic matter externally before absorbing it into their mycelia. Mushroom and toadstools, poisonous mushrooms, are by no mean that most numerous or economical sufficient fungi. They are the most easily recognized. The Latin word of mushroom, fungus, plural fungi, has come to stand from the whole group. Similarly, the study of fungi is known as mycology, a broad application of the Greek word for the mushroom, myx. Fungi other than mushroom are sometimes collectively called molds, although this term is better restricted to fungi of the short respect by the bread molds. Example of fungi, these are the example of fungi: mushroom, mold, mildews, smuts, rust, yeast. Yeast are commonly or easily available in the market for making idli, etc. And rust is a common disease for wheat. Now the third is algae. Its main food is starch. Algae are simple autotrophic organisms which can synthesize their own food by means of photosynthesis. Their taxonomy is very confusing. Algae were classified under the kingdom of Plantae as the process chlorophyll for photosynthesis. Algae are mostly aquatic and lack true roots, stems, and leaves, which are not so in plants. Hence, in the modern classification, they were excluded from the Plantae and category under Protist. Their size may range from few micrometer to several meters. Algae types. The different in the pigment play a major role in determine the habitat of distribution of the particular algae species. Regularly, their distribution they can adapt in diverse environment condition. Majority of algae are found in aquatic habitat, either in fresh water or marine water. Some species are found in extreme environment like snow, ice, whereas some are adapt towards the hot spring also. Blue-green algae. Blue-green algae BGA also refers to as cyanobacteria are the simplest form of algae. Example of BGA are nostoc and calothrix. They are prokaryotic in cellular organism. Now the green algae. They belongs to the phylum Chlorophyta and they contain chlorophyll. Their main food reserve is starch. For example of this type are Colidium ulva. Red algae. They belong to Rhydophyta and they contain chlorophyll. Their food reserve is Floridian starch. The example of red algae are Chondrus gallidilla. The red pigment called phycobilin help in harvesting light at a greater depth. Some members of this type are found at such depth in the ocean floor where no other photosynthetic organism can adapt. Now the brown algae they possess chlorophyll also. Due to the green color chlorophyll and brown pigment, it exhibit a typical greenish brown coloration. The food reserve are complex carbohydrate, polymers and laminarin. Reproduction in algae. Reproduction in algae can be vegetative, asexual or sexual. Vegetative reproduction occurs through fermentation. Asexual occur through formation of spore and binary fission, whereas the sexual reproduction take place by fusion. Now uses of algae. Algae are a group of autotrophic and eukaryotic organisms. Beside being an extremely nutritious food, they are increasingly used for industrial purpose. Now the next is protozoa. Protozoa are single-celled organisms without cell wall. They are believed to be a part of microbiological world as they are unicellular and microscopic. There is a great deal to know about their classification, characteristic and more. Protozoa also means little animal. They are named so because many species act like small animals. They search for and collect other microbes as food. Protozoa was specialized as unicellular protist, processing animal-like characteristics such as the capability to move in water. Protista are a class of eukaryotic microorganism under Protista kingdom. Based on the mode of locomotion, protozoa have divided into four types. The first is amoeba. An amoeba is a type of cell or organism that is capable of changing shape mainly by extending and retracting pseudopodias. They are normally found in the soil and in aquatic habitat. They move by using pseudopodia. They typically ingest their food by phagocytosis. They extend their pseudopods to engulf a prey. Next flagellate protozoa is Euglena. Flagellates are organisms which have one or more whip-like organelles called flagella. They may be solitary, colonial, free living, or parasitic. Parasitic from forms live in the intestine or bloodstream of the host. An example of parasite flagellate is Trypanosoma. Now this is ciliate protozoa. The example is Paramecium. The ciliates are a group of protozoas which possess hair-like organelles called cilia. Cilia are used in swimming, crawling, attachment, feeding, and sensation. Most ciliates are heterotrophs. They eat organisms such as bacteria and algae. They sweep the food by their modified oral cilia into their oral groove mouth. The next category of protozoa is pyrozoan, and the example is Plasmodium. 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 Spirozoans are non-motile unicellular protists, usually parasite. These protozoans are also called intracellular parasite. An example of Plasmodium is Vivax that cause malaria in human. The early stage spirozoan forms show some movement. The next is anaerobic protozoa, Giardia. Giardia. They can survive in the absence of oxygen and are not commonly found amidst eukaryotic organisms. Normally, anaerobic eukaryotes are either parasite or symbionts of multicellular organisms that have organized form aerobic ancestors. Examples are Giardia and trichomonads. Now the next is virus. These are the viral diversity: influenza, HIV, tobacco, mosaic, polio, etc. This is a colored picture of virus. You will see. These are the picture of virus commonly seen in the books. Virus has DNA, RNA, protein coat, nucleic acid, etc. The word virus comes from Latin. It means poison. In the old days, anything that used to cause disease was called a virus. The virus is known as an ultra microscopic non-cellular disease creating a particle. It causes many diseases for both plants and animals. It is an infectious agent of tiny size and simple composition that can produce only in living cell of animal, plant or bacteria. Viruses are too small to seen under the light microscope. Characteristic of virus. A virus has the following characteristic. They are the smallest living organism. Second, they do not have a cellular structure. Third, they can only produce by invading a living cell. Therefore, they are all parasitic. They are obligate endoparasite, mean that they can only live parasitically inside other cell. Fourth, they have a simple structure consisting a small piece of nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA, surrounded by a protein or lipoprotein coat. Fifth, they are on the boundary between what we regret on living or non-living. Each type of viral will recognize and infect only certain type of cell. In other words, viruses are highly specific to their host. Classification on the basis of shape of the virus: rod shape, TMA, alpha, mosaic, mumps, spiral, polio, HIV, dengue, cubicle, herpes, vaccinia, tadpole shape, T2, T3, T6, oral influenza. Classification on the basis of host virus: plant virus TMV, animal virus, influenza, bacteriophage T2, cyanophage blue-green algae, mycophage, actinophage. On the basis of nucleic acid in its infective form, a complete virus particle that consists of DNA or RNA molecule enclosed in a coat of protein is called viron. Some example of DNA: herpes simplex, adeno, caliphate. Some example of RNA: sugarcane mosaic, turnip mosaic, alpha mosaic, polio. This is a virus. Replication of all DNA virus occur in the nucleus of host cell, but this process did not occur in the pox virus. These are the example of virus: HIV, hepatitis B, Ebola virus, adenovirus, influenza, bacteriophage, etc. This is a coronavirus, COVID-19. We know that the whole world is now in danger because of coronavirus.